2021 Ford Bronco is scheduled for production. Email is sent to arrive in April 15th. Now, while it seems like we've been waiting forever for the 2021 Ford Bronco to arrive, luckily that moment isn't too far off now. Early model production has already started at the Ford Michigan assembly plant, and it seems that the first customer deliveries are still on track to begin this summer. Now we've learned that Ford Bronco scheduled for production emails will begin arriving in order holders' inboxes as early as tomorrow, April 15th, which is straight up awesome. Now, the Bronco schedule for production emails contains some basic information, such as the vehicle trim levels, the configuration, estimated delivery window based on the order holder's reservation timestamp, the option and package chosen, the number of similarly configured models, and the number of allocations the order holder dealer has received. The email will also contain a VIN number, which order holders can use to track the vehicle status, along with their customer order number. The inclusion of the VIN also means that at this point, the order can no longer be edited. Also included in the email is an invitation and sign-up link for one of the Bronco Off-Rodeo events. Though, as was reported yesterday, the Vermont Off-Rodeo will have to be relocated after the host was forced to pull out. Though some reservation holders grew tired of waiting and wound up canceling them, Ford says 125,000 of the 190,000 Bronco reservation holders have converted their reservations into orders, which equates to around 66%. That's an impressive conversion rate. But it's also worth noting that many of those 65,000 reservation holders that have not converted them into a 2021 Ford Bronco order may be waiting for the 2022 model. As was previously reported, Ford is allowing reservation holders to hold their place in line for the next model year, as it can only fill around a third of existing reservations in the 2021 model year. And as was reported last year, Job 1 2021 Ford Bronco production is currently scheduled to begin at the Ford Michigan assembly plant on May the 3rd. As is always the case, this date is subject to change, and it is very well could in light of the global semiconductor chip shortage and the various COVID-19 related production issues. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe.
Hey guys, this is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching the video. Appreciate your time. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Have a fantastic day. We out.